Hey everyone! So, Shararook the boogeyman is finally here, and the tasks aren't that difficult actually, which is surprising. And I've planned a fast way how to get him in under, let's say, an hour. Well, it depends mostly on your luck. Okay, so let's go check him out first. Here it is in all the glory of weirdness and all the weird twitching. It's a bit confusing, the animation notes on it. I already like it, but the aggro is a bit weird that it tears off its mask. Weird and spooky animations. Okay, now let's look at the tasks that we need to get this creature. The tasks are travel 20,000 studs during night and more. First off, let's start with the travel 20,000 studs mission. Okay, to do this we can use Jeff, the fastest creature being Jeff, and Kiku, but Jeff is only 3 speed points faster when sprinting than Kiku, which is actually very surprising. I'm still using Kiku though. Okay, we're gonna use some stamina plushies and some speed plushies. I recommend Succulent and Rock because they're pretty cheap. I lost my Jeff on getting something, but I don't remember what. I think it was like a burst or something. Okay, let's just speed through this task because everyone knows how to do this. Just run around using ambush. Eventually, we're gonna complete the task and we're almost done. Okay, now we're done with this task. Now for the second task, we need a blood moon, which is rare as hell. Why wait when we can do a different method? By grabbing a Kaiki or Yasha, I recommend Yasha because it has 6 minutes less of growth time, and while using the satiated effect and an Eric's, you can grow Yashas for up to 4 minutes each. And then you're gonna have the weather change ability, but still you have to wait for the timer. But what if rejoining works? But eventually you'll get a blood moon, so then go kill 5 creatures. Okay, as for the last task, just survive for 5 days or less and boom. But theoretically you could server hop for a different timeline. I'm not sure if that works. Well, that's it for today. See y'all next time.